David Licauco said one of the challenges of being in the show business industry is, it's harder to date. In Tony Gonzaga's latest blog post, the pambansaang Ginoo said he prefers to date someone who is not in showbiz, but he finds it difficult. Advertisement. Lifestyle. Courtesy, David Licauco, Facebook. David Licauco says he prefers to date someone non-showbiz, but I'm not closing my doors. Published April 7, 2025, 37 minuto pasado alas 10 AMB GMA Integrated News. David Licauco said one of the challenges of being in the show business industry is, it's harder to date. In Tony Gonzaga's latest blog post, the pambansaang Ginoo said he prefers to date someone who is not in showbiz, but he finds it difficult. Kapag medyo kilala ka, they would think na, baka lokohin lang ako nito, David said. At saka, she will treat you differently kasi nga, marami tong babae, sa isip nila. When you hit a certain level of popularity, they would think might play with me. And the girl will treat you differently because they're thinking, has a lot of girls. But the Kapuso actor considered, someone from showbiz could also mean someone who understands his situation. Honestly, non-showbiz talaga, ang gusto ko, but I mean, I'm not closing my doors, and baka mas maintindihan, ako, kung katrabaho ko, he said. Honestly, I'm looking for someone who is not from showbiz but I'm not closing my doors. Someone from showbiz could understand me better. In the interview, David revealed the qualities he's looking for in a woman, someone pretty, fair-skinned, and chinita na hindi masyadong chinita, half Chinese. Someone who's really nice, genuinely nice, yung ma-empathy. Someone who's in touch with life, he added. Let's say yung hindi masyadong nagse-cellphone, yung parang present, hindi masyadong nagso-social media. Last but not least, he's looking for someone who will, of course, love and care for him and understand the demands of his job. David and Barbie Fortese's tandem dubbed Barda rose to popularity when they starred as Clay and Fidel in Maria Clara at Ibarra. They recently starred in Pulang Araw and the film That Kind of Love in 2024. The pair is set to have another project in 2025. Meanwhile, David is starring in the upcoming movie, Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan, with Sanya Lopez and Lizel Lopez, among others.